Today, we are gonna fix Roblox error code 268 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. Our first solution consists of two different steps. Our first step is to allow Roblox through Firewall. The reason we're doing this is that Firewall may cause problems for Roblox. To do this, we go to the search bar and open Control Panel. Then, we click on System and Security. And then Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, we click on Allow an app. We click on Change Settings and then click on Allow another app. To add Roblox, we click on Browse. The file we need to select is Roblox Player Launcher. To find this file, we right-click on the Roblox player and click Open File Location. After doing that, we copy the file location of Roblox Player Launcher. We paste the copied file location into the bar. We found our file. We select the Roblox Player Launcher and click on Open. Then we click on Add. If we are using an antivirus program, we also need to do this through our antivirus program. To do this, we open our antivirus program. Then we click on Menu and then click on Settings. We click on Exceptions and then click on Add Exception. We paste the copied location here and click on Add Exception. That was our first step. Our second step is to delete Roblox's data. To delete Roblox's data from our browser, we open Chrome. Then we click on Settings. From the left side, we click on Privacy and Security. We click on Cookies and other site data. We scroll down and click on See all site data and permissions. After that, we type Roblox in the search bar. Then we click on Trash icon and delete Roblox's data. We have cleaned Roblox's data from our browser. To clean it from our computer, we go to the search bar and open Run. We type %local app data % into the search bar and click OK. We find Roblox and delete this file. Don't worry, deleting this file will not harm our game. We have cleaned our game's data. This was our first solution. Also, make sure that third-party programs are not open when playing Roblox. Such programs can cause problems. Our second solution is to reset our internet connection. We may be experiencing this problem due to our internet connection. If that's the case, resetting our internet connection can be a possible solution. To do this, we go to the search bar and open CMD as an admin. There are 3 different commands that we need to type. These commands will be in the video's description. You can copy and paste them into CMD from there. We type our commands and press enter. You need to restart your computer for this process to complete. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If this solution doesn't work, we move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to change DNS address. DNS is important for our internet. If there is a problem with our DNS, changing it will solve the problem. To do this, we go to the search bar and open Control Panel. After that, we click on Network and Internet. We click on Network and Sharing Center. Then we click on our network. We click on Properties. We double click on Internet Protocol version 4. We tick Use the following DNS server addresses. After that, we set the preferred and alternate DNS server like this. We click OK and close this window. We have changed our DNS address. Now, we can check if the problem is solved or not. The fourth solution is to download Roblox from Microsoft Store. Many people on Reddit have mentioned that this method works for them. Therefore, I wanted to include in this video as well. You can try downloading Roblox from Microsoft Store to fix your problem. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.